Welcome to the Boys Town Institute for Human Neuroscience. We're excited to have you as a volunteer in our study on brain development in autism. In this video, we'll walk you through what to expect during your visits. You will have 2 visits for the study. During your first visit, we will start by telling you all about the study before you and your parents sign consent and assent forms. Once that's done, you'll be ready to participate in the study. During the study, you will be asked to answer questions, do a few brain scans, and play games with our study team. For example, you will answer questions on the computer about your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. We will also ask your parents to answer questions about your thoughts, feelings, and behavior. We will also ask you questions about your development, since there are so many changes happening during adolescence, and we'll measure things like your height and weight. Then, you will meet with a study team member who will play games with you and ask you some questions so we can learn more about you. This part will take about 20 minutes. Next, we will take you to do the MEG brain scan, which involves sitting in a chair with a helmet in a very quiet room. During that part, we'll ask you to look at a screen and play some games in a MEG brain scan. This will take a little over 1 hour, but you get breaks during the scan to relax. You can learn more about the MEG procedure by watching the video we've shared. After the scan, we'll ask you a few questions about your thoughts and feelings. If you'd like, you can use a fidget toy while filling out the questionnaires. For your second visit, we will collect hair and saliva samples. Detailed instructions for this process can be found in the video we provided. Afterward, you'll fill out more questionnaires about your development and experiences. Finally, you will undergo an MRI brain scan. Before the actual MRI, you will practice with a fake one that looks and feels like the real one. We call this the mock MRI. The mock MRI will help you get used to some of the noises you will hear and help you practice staying very still during the scan. Once you're comfortable, you will go into the real MRI, where you can watch a Disney Plus or Netflix movie or show of your choice for about 30 minutes. You can also find more details about the MRI procedure in the video we shared. After completing the MRI, your visit will be finished. Your time and participation are incredibly valuable to our research, and you will be compensated $150 for both visits. If you finish both visits within a month, you will also get an extra $25. We will also send you a 3D printed version of your brain from your MRI scan. By participating, you'll help us understand how the brain develops during the teen years in people with autism and how that relates to mental health and well-being. We truly appreciate your contribution to advancing neuroscience and to helping the autism community. We look forward to seeing you at the Institute for Human Neuroscience. See you soon.